Alright, welcome to this video, and here we'll be looking at how to install Pixel in your website. How to install Pixel in your website. Remember I told you that website is one of the basic requirements you need to run your Facebook advert. Alright, I am not saying that without website you cannot run Facebook advert, but having a website is an added advantage to you, because with website you can really automate your sales process, in the sense that while you are sleeping you can be selling online. All right, everything will be done on your website, your landing page, everything where you place your product, your service. People will just go there, view your product, view your service. If they are interested, they click on certain buttons to make their payment. After the payment, the system will also deliver their services or products as the case may be to them. All right, so that is one advantage about having a website. But if you are using WhatsApp or Messenger, it will need your physical presence, physical attention, where you need to attend to potential customers. And funny enough, some of them, they will come to your WhatsApp, come to your Messenger, they will start asking you, some awkward question. They will waste your time. After taking your time to explain everything to them, they will tell you, "I'll get back to you," and that will be the end. All right. So to avoid such time wastage, sometimes you need to have a website where you automate all the sales process. The person will view the website, view the content there. If they are interested, they click a particular button, they make a payment, and they are automatically redirected to their service, the service they paid for. All right. So that's one thing about using a website. So back to on how to install Pixel in our website. You know, Pixel is a tracking code. Pixel is a tracking code that we install on our website that will enable Facebook to track activities on our website. Pixel is a tracking code that we install on our website that will enable Facebook to track certain events, certain activities, certain actions on our website. Installing a Pixel on our website, with that, Facebook will be able to know the number of people that view a particular page, the number of people that maybe buy from you online, that is from your website, the number of people that click a particular button on your website, the number of people that added to cart on your website, the number of people that submit or submitted their details to you on your website. So Facebook will be able to track all these activities, all these events and actions on your website with the help of Pixel. With the help of Pixel. And why are you doing that? Sometimes after running Facebook advert for a while, you may want to target a particular people that took certain actions on your website. Maybe those that click on add to cart, or maybe those that actually made purchase, or maybe those that submitted their details. It all depends on what you are tracking on the particular event you want to retarget. So with Pixel installed on your website, Facebook will be able to do all of that. All right. Maybe you have advertised certain products in the past, and those who showed interest in that product, maybe you want to retarget them and offer a similar product to them. So with Facebook Pixel installed on your website, you'll be able to do all of that. You can set up an event and say, okay, this event is lead. That is for those that submit their details, or maybe this event is for web page view. That's those who view your website, or maybe this event is for those that actually made purchase, or this one is for those that actually clicked on add to cart button and the rest. So that is that for Pixel. So how do you do that? It's very simple. The first thing, like I keep on saying, the first thing you need to do is to log into your Facebook account as usual. Log into your Facebook account, then click on a new tab. Click on a new tab and type business.facebook.com/ads manager, because you need to go to your ads manager first. From your ads manager, you go to your event manager where you start installing your pixel. So let's go there so I can. All right, here we are on my Facebook account. All right, here we are on my Facebook account. So what do? You open a new tab and type in what business.facebook.com/ads manager /ads manager ADSMANAGER ads the manager ADS the manager business.facebook.com/ads manager. Then you hit on enter, and here we are. All right, so from here you hover on these three lines. You can see three lines showing all tools. So you click on it. You go to your event manager quickly. Let's do that. Event manager. Let's wait for it to load up. All right, here we are. If you have not installed any pixel before at all, if you have not installed any pixel before, you will see connect data button around this place. Connect data button. Connect data button. But there's one pixel here already. All right. So what you do, you click on that connect data, or in the same way you can go to this green plus icon, here, and you see connect data source, all right. So what do? You hit on it, connect data source. Let's go. All right, then they are asking us where do we want to install the pixel. All right, as usual, like I keep saying, we are installing it on our website. So you toggle on this button here. We are installing on our website. So you click on connect. Then you give the pixel a name. Let me say testing. All right. Then you click on create pixel. Let's wait for it to load. All right. Then the website that we want to create that pixel, you enter the website you want to create the pixel. All right. Live large enterprise.com. All right. So what do? I click on check. Then I click on next. All right. Click on. All right. See, they are suggesting integrating with WooCommerce. No, I don't want that. I don't want that. I want just on my website, not with WooCommerce. All right. Then I click on what? Next. So here they say conversion API and Meta pixel. No, I don't want that. All I want is Meta pixel only. So I toggle here and I click on next. So here, normally as I click on that next, I was supposed to be taken to where they will give me that code straight away. Normally, I was supposed to be taken to where I will access that word code. Remember, I told you that pixel is a code, but you can see I was not taken there. So what do? I refresh. Please, Facebook interface and all this in the it keeps changing. So don't worry. Since I was not taken there straight away, I will refresh the page. Click on refresh here. Let's wait. All right. So as I click on that refresh, see our PZ name here. I'll click on the PZ name, then we'll continue with our installation. All right. So I click on that PZ name, testing, then we'll continue with our installation. All right. Okay. You can see continue PZ setup. Continue PZ setup. All right. So I click on continue. Like I said, don't go for conversion API. All right. Meta PZ. So I toggle this on. I click on connect. Then this is the code I'm talking about. This is the code I'm talking about. So we are going to install code manually. Click on what? Install code manually. I click on code, install code manually. All right, this is the code I'm referring to. So what do I do next? I copy the code. I copy what? The code. I click on copy code. It has been copied. So what do I do now? I will go back to my website now. I'll go back to my website. So this is my website dashboard. So I'll scroll down to plugins. Plugins. I'll click on add new plugins. Add new plugins. Let's wait for it to load. Add new plugins. Sorry, my network is somehow bad today. All right. So you see this is a keyword. Here you type insert header and footer. That is the plugins we want to use. Insert headers and footers. That is the plugins I want to use. That is the plugin we want to use. So let's wait for it to come up. Please share patience with me. My network is bad today. So this is the plugin we are going to use, right? Before it was insert header and footer by WP Beginner, but it has been updated. It has been updated. So you click on what? Install now. Install now. Let's install our plugin. Let's wait for it to install. Let's wait for it to install. All right, it has what? Installed. It has what? Installed. So what do? We click to activate. Let's activate it. Click to activate. Click to activate. Click to activate. Sorry, my network is very bad today. Let's wait. It is still trying to activate. I have a very poor network today. I don't know why. It is still in the process. All right. It has been activated. It has been what? Activated. So what do? You go to this your dashboard, scroll down. Scroll down. So you see code snipest. Code snipest. So You hover around this place and click on header and footer. Header and footer. So let's go. Let's wait for it to come up. My network is very, very poor today. Okay. All right. So I have this code there before. I want to delete it. So if it is the first time, here will be blank like this. Here will be what? Blank like this. So you click on enter. That is, you place your cursor here. Place your cursor and make sure it is under header, not under body here, not under body here. It's under what? Header. All right. So put your cursor at the end. Click on enter. Then you paste your code. All right. Paste your code. Once you are done with that, then you click on save changes. Click on save changes. So let's wait, it is loading. All right, you can see setting save. All right, so let's try to visit our site. Let's try to visit the site. We want that site to receive an activity. Let's visit our site. All right. Okay. All right. So let's go back to our Facebook now. Let's go back to our Facebook and continue. So this is our Facebook now. We'll continue. Click on continue. If you like, you can turn on automatic advanced setting. If you like, you can turn it off. All right. Click on continue. You say open event setup. Leave it that way. Click on continue. Verify domain. Leave it that way. Click on continue. Configure web event. Leave it that way. Click on go to PZ overview. All right. So here we are. We want to test whether that PZ is working or not. All right. So what do? You click on test event. You need to test to see if it is working or not. Very simple. Then you scroll down and put in the website URL. Live large enterprise.com. All right. Then you click on open website. Open website. Let's wait for it to load. Let's wait for it to load. All right. Our site has loaded up. You can see our site has loaded up. So what do? We go back to our event manager there. You can see, wow. You can see it. It is telling us page view process. So that page, that website we just view now has been captured straight away. No time to waste time. You can see page view process. Look at the time. Just the site that we just clicked now has been captured by the PZ. So that is that for that. That is that for that. It's as simple as ABC. That is how to install your Pixel. Then the next thing you will do now is to what? Create your what? Event. Create your event. So what do? You go here again. This your Pixel. This your this green plus sign. This green plus sign. Then you can see data source. Click on data source. Click on add event. Then for the first time, you are going to what? Click on from a new website. From a new website. So let's go. And they say install code manually. Install code manually. Install code manually. Install code manually. So you know you have already created Pixel, so that one is not active here again. It's not showing green again. So you say install base code. Click on install base code. Can you see it? Then you copy the code. Copy the code. Then you go to your website dashboard. Let's go to my website dashboard. Let's go to my website dashboard. Can see it's very sweet. We are trying to create an event now. What event are we creating? It could be for lead, that is those that will give us their details. It could be for those that will purchase from our website. It could be for those that are added to cart. It could be for those that just view our page. Anyone, all right? So here we are. I know you have by now you have known how we got here. All right. You hover, go to code snipers, then go to header and footer. All right. Let me show it to you again. All right. Can you see it? So from where this one end, from the end, just click enter, then you paste this new one. All right. Then you click on save. Click on save. Please pardon me, my network is a bit bad today. It's a bit bad today. All right, settings save. If you like, you can view the site. Hover around here, you see view site. Let me click. All right, this is our site that's open. If you like, you just view that site. If you like, leave it. It's not compulsory. So let's go back to our Facebook. Then we'll click on continue. All right, click on continue. Click on continue. All right, click on continue. So that is that for that. Go to create our event. Click on now go to create our event here. Click on add event. This time around is from the Pixel now. It's from the Pixel. It's from the Pixel now. You click on the Pixel. Open event setup tool. Open. Then you enter the site. Is it the entire website, or that you are tracking the event, or a particular page of the website? Mostly you're going to be using a particular page of the website. All right. So it depends on, you can set a particular page of your website. Maybe you create a page that will serve as a thank you page. A thank you page, that is thank you for purchasing from us. So that thank you page, you are going to create an event, and you name it purchase. You name it what? Purchase, because it is those that purchase from you that will go to thank you page. It means once somebody is on your thank you page, it means that person has bought your product. So you can create a page and name it what? Thank you page. So that in your event here, you are going to set it up as what? Purchase. Because it is actually those that purchase that will go to your what? Thank you page. So what you do now, after creating that page, you bring in the link of that page. The link of that page, you enter it here. But for the sake of this tutorial, I'm just going to enter my normal. I'm just going to enter my normal site, normal website URL. All right. Then I'll open, click on open website. All right. Can you see it? Can you see it? Say event on this page. Event on this page. So this particular page, assume it is a page now. Assume it's a page now. All right. You click on this track new button. You can see you have several buttons here. Several buttons here. All right. Several buttons here. See, click on a highlighted button to set up your event. All right. So, all these things are buttons. All these things are buttons. I'm just using my entire website. Assuming I'm using only a page, maybe I'll have just one button. So, but let's say I just choose this. Let's I just choose this. All right. All these things are pages. Eh? All these things are what they are, all pages. So I'm just selecting a page for digital product creation slash digital product creation training slash marketing. It's a button. It's a page, but in that page there's a button there. So what do? I continue. Then it says select the event type that you would like to track. So is it add to cart? What I am saying now is that if anybody visit this page, if anybody visit this page now, this page that I just selected now, if anybody visit that page now, if I choose add to cart, it means Facebook will record it as what? Add to cart. If I click, if I choose initiate checkout, Facebook will track it as what? Initiate checkout for everyone that what? Views that page. If it is lead, if it is purchase, so that is that. So you select based on what the event you want to track. All right. So let me say I say purchase. All right. You can leave all this one like this. All right. Then I confirm. I confirm. You see, they say setup complete. The purchase event is live now. All right. So once I am done with that, that is that for the page. You can click on track URL. All right, leave it as what? Equal. All right, leave it as equal. Select an event. That is, if you are not using a particular button, the first one we just did, we are using a button that appeared on that page. Remember, let me show you something. All these are services that I render. All these are services that I render. And for the first one, I click on this. This is a page, but inside this page there are buttons. So I've tracked the button in this page. That is the first one. So you can either track button, or you can either track the entire the URL of the page. Like I said, this is a page. In this page there are buttons. So the first one I did was what? For the button. All right. But this very one, track an event using a URL. It means you are tracking an event using the entire page, meaning anybody that views that page entirely, Facebook will record it based on the event you set up there. So what it means is that here now, if I choose lead, it means that anybody that visits this particular page, Facebook will track it as what? As lead. But in the first place, anybody that clicked a button in that page, the Facebook will track it as what? Purchase. I hope you have gotten the gist. So let me save lead. Leave all this one the way it is. I click on confirm. Let's wait for it to complete. All right. So the lead event is live. So once you are done with all this, you click on finish setup. That is, you have set up purchase and lead. Remember, I told you the first one is purchase. All right, purchase, right? So that purchase, we track a button. We track a button in that page. For the lead, we are using the entire page link. We are using the entire page as lead. That is, anybody that clicked that page at all, we count it as what? Lead. But anybody that clicked that page and the person clicks on the button in that page, Facebook will track it as what? Purchase. So I am done. I click on finish. All right, click on finish. Are you sure? Yes. Yes. Submit. You say thanks for helping us improve. Click on done. All right, it's done. So let's do something now. Can you see that here we only have page view? All right, that is the first one. So let's go and visit that page now. This is our main site. I want us to visit that page. This is our service. Let's visit that page now. I visit the page. Let's see what will happen. Let's see what will happen. Let's see what will happen. Let's wait for it to load up. Okay. So like I said, this is the page, right? As I view this page now, it will be recorded as lead. I'm just giving us an example. It will be recorded as lead. Normally, it should be what? Page view. But since I set up the event as lead just to show an example. As I view this page now, it will be recorded by Facebook as lead. Then as I'm scrolling down, this is a button, right? This is a button. All right. I'll click on this button now. If I click on this button, Facebook will record it as what purchase. I'm just using this as an example. All right. That's why I say you should create a page and say a thank you page, so that anybody that visits that page means the person has bought. So you can create that event as what purchase. So let me hit on this button now, and we'll see what will happen. We'll go back. We'll go back to our Facebook event manager and see what will happen. Please pardon me, my network is a bit slow today. Let's wait. Okay. Okay, I don't want to waste time. It's still loading, but let's go to our event manager. Event manager. I will refresh. Let me refresh the page now and see what will happen. Let me refresh the page now and see if Facebook will track that event that we just created. Let's wait. Let's wait and see what will happen. Let me cancel this. I don't know why this is taking too much time. Okay, let me scroll down. Wow, can you see? Wow. See, lead active, purchase active. All right. So that is that for that. All right. It means our pizza is working perfectly well. So this is the end of our video for this particular session. I mean, creating installing so this is the end of our video for the installation of Pixel and setting up of events. All right, so that is that for that. See you in the next training.